What did you get, Summer? I don't know. How do you say thank you, Mima?
Thank
you. Ooh, Summy,
What's
those
that?
are cute. Oh, I like them, Summy.
What are they?
Slippers.
Slippers. You want to try to use them? Remember, Kennedy and Marley has slippers like that.
Okay, open these.
Well, hold on, you got more presents to open. What's this?
What's this?
Yeah, it's so fun to get presents, huh?
Oh,
Summy.
what is that?
Is-
It's a swimming suit.
Is it a swimming suit?
No, it looks like pajamas.
It's swimming suit.
Oh, that's so cute. It's Dora, Summy. It looks
Look.
like you on the shirt.
Look. Boots and Dora.
Oh, that's
Oh.
cute. I like that one, Summy. Those will look good with your rainbow sandals.
Now open
What's
them.
this? What's this
There's one more thing. Hey, why don't you read her card?
Open.
What could it be? Summy, it's almost like our matching game.
What is it?
It's a
It's like a game, I think.